Listen. That's only a hawk. An eagle, I should think. An eagle?
Magnificent.
You wouldn't say so if one of them swooped down and snatched up a little pig. Mark, I don't want to hurt your feelings, but please don't stop again. We're all minded to get home, and Dr. Koch is a very busy man. Successful, too. This time is very valuable indeed. Oh, a man can do well here. Williamsburg isn't London, but it isn't Sudbury Town either. I think we should have to put on our considering caps and find you a wife. One with a sufficient dowry. Property in town, I think, so I can have the good of your company. Dr. Koch is so often gone and tending the sick and...